Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. Day 3 on our deck project. We lost a day with the rain. Had to finish things out in the mud, but as usual, the guys pulled it off. This deck was ready to fall off the house, held on with toggle bolts. Pretty much everything you could think of wrong, but it's happy now. As they're getting things cleaned up. A little bit of mud on stuff, but it will wash off. Get these temporaries out. Nice tight stringers. 6-inch timber locks. Y supports. The footings. Boxed in the nonsense that was here with the 3/8 plywood. All that's tied back into the ledger of the house. 6x6 posts. Car getting the saw put up. And that's the view from below. If we can come and help you out with your deck projects, please give us a call. Georgia State Licensed General Contractor. Crews, equipment, and experience to get it right for you on time. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And yes, those temporaries will come out.